सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Om. Chapter 2, page 73, Shloka 106. Niroga upavishto vam Rugno va viluthan bhuvim Murchito vatyajattveshah प्राणान् भ्रान्तिर्न सर्वथा. Concluding the Panchabhuta Viveka, Vidyaranya says the Jnana Phalam, how a Jnani who disidentify with his body mind, he never cares that where his body dies. He will never bother about its death, time or place. He or she never bothers. Outside people may think different ways. Ajnani janaha, worldly people may think different ways. What people consider death means it should come so and so time of Punya Kalam, Uttarayana Kalam. Like that, nakshatram also they see for death. Otherwise, it is a dosha. And a person dies in a wrong star. And they close that place for many months. When I was young, in my house, when my grandmother passed away, father's mother, some bad star it seems. And that place, that light should not fall. That's why they covered the whole thing. Now I remember, just now I am remembering that. They covered that whole place with darkness. No one can enter inside. Covered, fully sealed like. After 1 year only they opened that. So like this, people have lot of and thoughts in their mind. Person should die so and so time only, it is good. Like that they think. Even for Jnani Mahatmas also they think like that only. This is very, very prevalent. More supportive is Bhishma's death. In Mahabharata, Bhishma's death is a big discussion for everyone. They know Mahabharata or not, we do not know, but they know about Bhishma's death. Uttarayana Kalam, Shukla Paksham. Like that, people have lot of thoughts, opinions. So now Vidyaranya abolishing all those thoughts, ideas of people, whether he is in waking condition or sitting quietly or moving anywhere, or he is murchita hava, doesn't matter. So he says here, nirogaha upavishtava. He is healthy, hale and healthy, nirogaha, without any disease. Upavishtova, sitting quietly, without doing anything. Maunama ukarnirikar. Pesamal. Upavishtova. Or Rugnova, suppose he has got a chronic disease, some cancer or asthma or diabetes or heart problem, whatever it may be, big list is there. Rugnova, maybe before he is dying, he is suffering with some disease, bedridden, maybe in hospital, emergency ward, doesn't matter. People consider, no, if he dies on the bed, pushukna poidutana, appa evala punyam pannirukkan. If they die in the hospital emergency ward, paava enna paapam pannitano. Avadella nenuppa people. Therefore, Rugnova or Vilutan. Vilutan means moving all the time, wandering, wandering throughout the earth. Vilutan Bhuvi. Bhuvi means in this world, in Bhuloka. Or Murchitova. Suppose he is Murchitaha. You understand what is Murchita? I need not translate. Okay. Fainted, suppose anywhere. Because of some problem sometimes. Okay. Murchitova. At that time he leaves his body. Suppose. Tyajat yeshaha pranan. Suppose he or she leaves the body. Pranan means they drop their prana, life. Bhrantihi na sarvatha bhrantihi na bhavati. Sarvatha means by any way, at any time, at any place, doesn't matter. Sarvatha means whatever may be his position of the body while leaving prana, whatever may be the position of his body or place, time when he is leaving the body, Bhrantihi na bhavati. Again that ajnana will not come. Bhrantihi means what? Atma ajnanam. Previous delusion, deha bhavana, deha abhimana, all these will not come back. Therefore, never consider, never see that when Jnani, don't judge a Mahatma by his physical appearance, by his physical health, by his physical status, ashrama, நிறைய டிசைபிள்ஸ் இருக்கு, இதெல்லாம் வச்சுட்டு ஜட்ஜ் பண்ணக்கூடாது எப்போவுமே. This is what the people, by judging that we know how much ignorant we are. We are highly ignorant in that matter. Immediately we judge people like this. If he is very scholarly educated person, அவர் ஞானின்னு சொல்லிடுவோம். இல்லைன்னா he is having big ஆசிரமான்னு சொன்னால் he is a very ஞானின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Otherwise he is very worldwide popular WWWன்னு இன்னும் பெரிய ஞானின்னு சொல்லுவோம். இல்லை, if he is having lot of disciples all over the world, he is பெரிய ஞானின்னு சொல்லுவோம். எல்லாம் ஒரு தப்பான ஒரு எண்ணம், புரியாமல் பேசுறது, புரியாமல் யோசிக்கிறது. என்ன பண்ணுறது? Conforming and confounding our ignorance. So ஒழுங்க சாஸ்திரம் படி, never judge any Mahatma who is a gnani or not. How do you know? By his death you can decide. By his death you decide? No. Even those days Jnanis just walk into the forest. Walk into the forest, they give this body to that, all the vultures. Just lie down, they want to leave their body. They want to give this food as a aharam to that birds. Let them live for some time. That much sacrificing nature. This is very, very amazing, They just walk into the forest and they lie down, and when vultures come and eat and wild dogs come and eat, they don't bother. Anyhow, I am going to leave this body. Let them enjoy for a few days without hunger. That much they think like that. Because they never consider this body as themselves. It is mamsam. It is the food of certain another animal. If you won't give outside, you bury inside, another creatures will eat. Anyhow, another worms have to eat. Even if put in water also, another worms will eat. Some one way or other, this annam will become annam to another being. This body which is made out of annam will become annam, food to another species. Either in waters or on earth or under the earth. Even in space also. Anywhere. Because Panchabhuta Budal, it has to merge again with Panchabhuta. Therefore, never develop any attachment towards the body. Even Jnani's body never judge his death. Okay. Up to here we saw in the last class. Next shloka. His focus is on what? The Jnanam, whatever we acquire once, it will never go. No, that's what he want to say. The Jnanam, Aham Brahma Asmi Jnanam, once I acquire, it will never go at any time, even Antakala, even after death also it will be there. How? For that he is giving an example. In this sloka 107, we will read. Dine dine swapna suptyohom adhite vismrutepyayam paredyurnanadhita syat tadvad vidyananashyati. Dine dine. The delusion or that ignorance that which has gone after getting Brahma Jnanam, how delusion come back? It will never come back, just as Dine dine swapna suptyoho. Dine dine means in jagrada avastha, in waking state. Adhite, that what you have studied, what you have understood, what you have received, that knowledge. In jagrada avastha, various things we are knowing, various things, knowledge we are getting. In Jagrada Avastha, now we are in Huchi Avastha, Jagrada Avastha, waking state we are. So here you are getting knowledge in waking state from morning to till night. You are getting lot of knowledge about lot of things. Dine dine. Then what? Swapna suptyoho vismrute api. When you go to dream, do you remember this Panchadashi class? No. In deep sleep, do you remember Panchadashi class? No. This whole thing, vismrute, forgotten. In dream, in sleep, deep sleep, every day, we have forgotten this Panchadashiva, another Dashiva, yado. We have forgotten means what? Vismruta means forgotten. Means what? It goes into dormant form. As good as non-existent knowledge. Isn't it? You don't remember anything. What knowledge, even including your body itself, you don't remember. What to talk of knowledge? Vismrute swapna suptyoho. In swapna, dream, supti means sleep. In dream and sleep, you forget whatever knowledge you have got. Vismrute api. Even though you forget at that time, Api anna, even though you forget at that time in dream and sleep state. Paredyuhu na anadhitaha syat. Paredyuhu means the next day. It's an avyayam, indeclinable. Paredyuhu means the next day when you wake up. Is it anadhitaha syat? Anadhitaha means that person doesn't wake up with ignorance. A person who is literate, knowledgeable before going to sleep, morning when he wakes up like an illiterate person. You have the knowledge of your husband, children, house, or family. Do you wake up with next day morning fresh? Who is my husband? Who is my daughter? Where is my house? None of us having that ignorance. Even Panchadashi 106 slokas, whatever we have completed, you know that page when I say 106 sloka, you take up that sloka. You remember that we are doing the Panchabhuta Viveka. Do you remember or not? How many times we have slept in between first sloka to 150th sloka? You have slept many times. You have forgotten many times. But thank God you have pricking up the thread again. You remember. You are not waking up like an illiterate person or ignorant person. That's what he says. Paredyuhu anadhitaha nasyat. He will not become an ignorant person. He will not become an illiterate person of any knowledge. Of any knowledge, we carry the knowledge as it is yesterday. Otherwise, I have to start every class first sloka only. Fresh. Life is more tragic, if it is like so. How great we are really. Otherwise, how can you study history? History is past history we are studying and we are remembering so much. Centuries ago history we are studying and Vismrute api, in dream and sleep. I am, this person will not become anadhitaha nasyat. Anadhitaha means what? Ignorant. Na adhitaha, anadhitaha, illiterate. He will never be an illiterate after waking up like that. It is drishtantam. Like that what? Syat, full stop. Then tadvat, in the same manner. In the same manner. Do we remember our 10th class marks, SSLC marks, whatever we have done, pariksha in our subject, whatever we have learnt, studied, all subjects, do you remember now? Many things we forget. Okay. And forget, you can forget, but not this jnanam. Adi gnapakam vechkongo. You may forget your subject, what you have studied in schools. If I put exam, you will fail now. However great medalist you are, now I put exam, you will fail. Isn't it? That knowledge, because it is objective knowledge. Objective knowledge will disappear, will go away. Not this knowledge, aham brahmasmi knowledge is subjective knowledge. This is regarding about myself. How can it disappear? It will not go. Tadvad yatha supti swapnayoho vismrutihi bhavati parantu anadhitaha na bhavati saha. Tadvat vidya na nashyati. Atmajnanam. Vidya means atmajnanam. Aham brahmasmi jnanam. I am that Brahman alone. This knowledge, which is the fact, the truth, unnegatable fact, this alone is the truth. Na nashyati. Antakale api, you have to supply. Antakale api, even at the time of death also, even after death also, it will continue. This Jnani will never become an Ajnani. If the Jnani becomes Ajnani, who nobody will come for Panchadashi class. Again, why? We have to work for that. No? So once we get knowledge, lifelong, we'll be with that knowledge. That is the meaning here. Tadvat, in the same way, this Atma Vidya also, which has gained will not disappear. Will gain this knowledge gained. How you have gained? How you have gained? By studying Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana Dwara. By consistent, systematic study of Vedanta scriptures under a competent, alive teacher for a length of time. Having gained that Vidya. Vidya na nashyati. Na nashyati. Kimartham na nashyati? Because I recognize I am Brahman. I am OC, higher nature, Atma. How can it will be destroyed? How can it be destroyed? Is it possible? I am Brahman. No one can make me Abrahman. Even God also. Yes or no? Even God also cannot make me Abrahman. Not Brahman. கடவுளுக்கு கூட முடியாது. ஏன் அவரு பிரம்மன் தான், நானும் பிரம்மன் தான். பாருங்க எப்படிப்பட்ட ஒரு நாலேஜ். That's why no one can cause sorrow in me. No one can cause sorrow at any time, at any place, by anyone. That is my real nature. But what is unfortunate thing, when I am telling, Guru is telling, I am not affected by anyone at any time, at any place and சொல்லும்போது, நான் சொல்லும்போது நம்ம என்ன எடுத்துக்கிறோம்? அகங்காரமாக ஸ்டூடெண்ட் கேட்டுட்டே இருப்பான். அகங்காரமாக உட்கார்ந்து நான் இந்த உடம்பை நினச்சிண்டு, இந்த ஒய்ஃபை நினச்சிண்டு, ஹஸ்பண்ட் நினச்சிண்டு உட்கார்ந்து கேட்டுட்டே இருப்பான். பாவம் சுவாமினி அது ஒரு பேர், பிடி சுவாமினி. அது டீச்சர். பாவம் அந்த அம்மாவுக்கு தெரியாது. என்ன தெரியாது? நான் ஒரு வித் ஃபுல் ஆஃப் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் நான் அந்த குருவுக்கு தெரியாத நினைப்பான் சிஷ்யன். Teacher is talking from the higher order of reality, from original conscious standpoint, Lakshyartha I. Student is listening from Vachyartha I, Ahankara standpoint. என்ன பண்ணுறது இந்த ரெண்டு பேர்னு? ஆச்சரியவத் பஷ்யதி கஷ்டிதேன. அப்படி இல்லாமல் என்ன பண்ணணும்? Shastra addressing the Lakshyartha I, the student also elevate himself, listen to Shastra from Lakshyartha I, using the Vachyartha I. Lakshyartha I, Shuddha Brahma cannot listen. Priyartho, Lakshyartha I or higher I cannot listen by itself. The higher I or original I or Atma Swarupam Shuddha Sattvam can listen through Vachyartha I, Ahankara. Priyartha, now use your Vachyartha I, Ahankara's body-mind complex to claim I am Lakshyartha I. To claim Lakshyartha I means what? Original consciousness, I am pure consciousness, existent principle. To claim that I have to depend upon what? Vachyartha, Ahankara, body-mind complex. Use it, make use of this body-mind complex and own up, claim that I am Brahman, Aham Brahma Asmi. So Vachyartha I Ahankara is useless or useful? Very useful. It is not only useful to Kalyana Pandikardaki, Koland Pethikarthak Matame illa. And the Ahankara is very, very useful finally to claim I am Brahman. Therefore, thank that lower I, say Tata, goodbye. Use the lower I, claim higher I, and say lower I is Mithya. This is the intelligent way of living. புரியுறதா? ஆர்ட் ஆஃப் லிவிங். இதெல்லாம் விட்டுட்டு என்னென்ன ஆர்ட் ஆஃப் லிவிங்குக்கோ போகிறான். என்னென்ன ஆர்ட் ஆஃப் லிவிங்குக்கோ போய் அப்படியே என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம் பாரு. சரி, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. Now he is entering into a different technical verse. While concluding, he want to shake all of us. தூங்கிட்டு இருக்காளோ என்னமோ கொஞ்சம் ஷேக் பண்ணுறார் வித்யாரண்யர். 108. प्रमाणोत्पादिता विद्या प्रमाणं प्रबलं विना न नश्यति न वेदान्तात् प्रबलं मानमीक्षते. Very important technical sloka. It is a topic regarding the pramanam. Pramanam means means, means. Pramanam. Pramakaranam pramanam. Pramanam is equal to Pramakaranam, that which gives knowledge, that which is an instrument used to gain knowledge. Karanam means instrument. Prama means knowledge. That instrument which helps me to gain knowledge, Prama, is called Pramana. For example, these eyes. My own eyes are known as Pramanam. Why? Eyes serve as a means, instrument to gain the knowledge of a form. Eyes are known as Pramanam because through those eyes I get the knowledge of forms and colors. Therefore, eyes are known as Pramanam, Pramakaranam. Even ears, they are also Pramanam because Shabda Jnanam I get through ears. They are also Pramanam because eyes cannot give Shabda Jnanam. Eyes give only Rupa Jnanam, but ears give only Shabda Jnanam, not Rupa Jnanam. Similarly, nose gives Gandha Jnanam, not Rupa Jnanam, Shabda Jnanam. Nose is also Pramanam. Tongue is also gives Rasa Jnanam, not Shabda Gandha Rupa Jnanam. So all these sense organs of knowledge called Pramanam. Jnana Indriyani. Now you understand what is Pramanam? The analysis of this Pramanam is called epistemology. The analysis of this Pramanams, how many Pramanams are there? How many instruments of knowledge are there? What are all the means of knowledge? What is knowledge? What is error? What are all types of pramanams are there to get knowledge? All these are analyzed in Shastra that is known as epistemology. 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 It is a Shastram. 6 pramanams Shastra gives. We saw these all in Taittiriya Upanishad, Kathopanishad, Mundakopanishad. I need not explain. If you know very well, because you are all advanced students, I told you Panchadashi is like a MPhil text madri. You are supposed to know all this. Pratyaksha, Anumana, Upamana, Arthapatti, Anupalabdhi, Shabda, Pramanam. 6 Pramanams are there. Shat Pramanani. All these Shat Pramanams give knowledge. Direct perception, Pratyaksha Pramanam. And Anumana Pramanam, by inference, you get knowledge. There is a fire on the mountain, Parvataha Vanhiman, Dhumavatvat. There is a fire on the mountain because I see the smoke. This is called inference. Anumanam pandrathu. Are you seeing fire directly? No. But I infer the fire. Anumanam pandre. How do you know? How can you infer? This anumanam is depending upon the pratyaksham, previous pratyaksham. When my mother was cooking, not gas, when my party was cooking in my village, I saw that fire, where fire was there, smoke was coming. I got the pratyaksha jnanam at that time. What pratyaksha jnanam? Fire is there, smoke is there. Inge fire paathono angella smoke paathay. That was pratyaksha jnanam. Through that pratyaksha jnanam, now I recollect my pratyaksha jnanam. I recollect my pratyaksha jnanam which I had previously. What I do now? I infer. Now this inference, fire is there on the mountain, this inference based on what? Pratyaksha jnana. Dependent on pratyaksha jnana. So inference is dependent anumanam, pramanam. It is not swatantra pramanam. It is called durbala pramanam. Durbala pramanam. Secondary pramanam. Secondary means are durbala pramanam. Anumanam is durbala pramanam. Why? Pratyaksham, it is depending upon pratyaksham, previous knowledge. Otherwise you cannot infer the smoke, infer the fire by seeing the smoke. So your fire knowledge on the mountain now, that inference is also a knowledge. Anumana jnanam. While walking on the road, suddenly you go to side. Enna pinnadi lari varudunna. Adu eppadi theriyumna? I have not seen lari, but you infer and the sound. Like that, every anumana, upamana also, even comparison. Her face is like a moon. Chandra bimbavat mukham. Have you seen Chandra? Yes. Otherwise, without seeing Chandra, moon, you cannot compare her face with moon. So this upamana, comparison of her face with moon, presupposes what? Chandra pratyaksha darshanam. Yes? Are you getting the point? Chandra pratyaksha darshanam gives upamana mukha jnanam. In the upamanam comparison moolama varudhu. In the upamanam oda poru pramananda. Avar eppadi irupparna? Romba cool ah irupparna. Cool ah eppadi irupparu? You might have experienced the cool water. Cool water is always cool and our body temperature is 0 and artham. எப்படி வாட்டர் கூலாக அது சில்லுன்னு ஒரு பிரசாந்தமாக தான் கொடுக்குமோ, அது சில்லாக இருக்கும்போது அவன் மூஞ்சி பார்த்தா அப்படி இருக்கும்னு அர்த்தம். கம்பேரிசன். அதுமாதிரி நிறைய கம்பேரிசன் பண்ணுவோம் நம்ம, இல்லையா? இஸ் ஸ்டப்பர்ன் லைக் எ மவுண்டெயின் அண்ணா. இஸ் நாட் மவுண்டெயின், இஸ் ஸ்டப்பர்ன் லைக் மவுண்டெயின். You have experienced the mountain stubbornness, steadiness. You are comparing the person. Thus this person is very stubborn. That knowledge you are getting, it presupposes what? Mountain stubbornness. So this Anumana Upamana Jnanam is Durbala Jnanam because it is based on Pratyaksha Pramanam. Then Pratyaksha Pramanam is known as Prabala Pramanam. It is called Prabala Pramanam, independent Pramanam. Prabala, independent, strong Pramanam is that which never depend upon another Pramanam. What do you mean by Prabala Pramanam? Prabala Pramanam is that primary Pramanam is that Prabala means primary. Primary Swatantra Pramanam is that it never depend upon another Pramanam. Either to prove its knowledge or to disprove its knowledge. For example, I see this flower now through my eyes. I see this flower through my eyes. I get the flower knowledge. Can this knowledge which I have got through my direct perception through my eyes pramanam, can it be dismissed or proved by ears? Ears can come and prove or disprove this flower knowledge. Eyes, you have got wrong knowledge. This is not flower. I will tell you this is only pencil. Ears can never dare to judge or negate or disprove or prove that knowledge which I have got through this pramanam, eyes pramanam. Yes? So therefore, this pramanam which is unnegatable, indisputable through another pramanam is called prabala pramanam. That which can be negatable, disputable, disprovable is called durbala pramanam. In a durbala pramanam ஒரு வாட்டி அதை நெகேட்டிவ் பண்ண முடியும். அனுமானம் சப்போஸ் இந்த பையன் அம்மா அப்பா சொன்ன அந்த பொண்ணு ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு அப்படியே சந்திரபிம்ப வதனமா అని சொல்லிட்டான் அப்பா அம்மா அப்பா அந்த பையனுக்கு. அவன் அப்படிதான் நினைச்சான். இது அனுமானம் உபமானம் ద్వారా அம்மா அப்பா have come to conclusion. என்ன எத்தனை ஜாதகம் பார்த்துன்னா சரியாக வரமாட்டேங்கிறது இந்த பையனுக்கு. ஸோ என்ன பண்ணுறதுன்னு சொல்லி அந்த பொண்ணு ரொம்ப நன்னா இருக்கு அப்படியே சந்திரபிம்பம் மாதிரி இருக்கப்போ முக்கம்னு சொன்ன உடனே இந்த பையன் பார்த்துட்டா. அம்மா அப்பா சொன்னது இப்போ எக்ஸாம்பிள் என்ன? உபமானம். உபமானம் சந்திரபிம்ப முக்கத்தோட கம்பேர் பண்ணிட்டான். இப்போ அந்த உபமானம் இந்த பையன் என்ன பண்ணிட்டான்? நெகேட் பண்ணுறான். எனக்கு வேண்டாம் இந்த பொண்ணு. என்ன இந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொன்னால் உங்களுக்கு நல்லா புரியும். ஏன்னா யூ ஆர் சீயிங் ஸோ மெனி மேட்சஸ் ஃபார் யுவர் சன் ஆர் டாட்டர்ஸ். ஸோ திஸ் பையன் சொல்ல அம்மா அந்த பொண்ணு சந்திரபிம்பமும் இல்லை ஒன்றுமே வேண்டாம் எனக்கு வேண்டாம். இட்ஸ் நெகேட்டபிள். தட் உபமான ஞானம் த்ரூ தட் நாலேஜ் வாட் எவர் தே ஹவ் கிவன் இட் இஸ் டிஸ்ப்ரூவ்ட் பை his son. From his angle she is not like moon. She is looking differently. அது மாதிரி உபமான ஞானம் can be disproved. அனுமான ஞானம் can be disproved. Similarly other அர்த்தாபத்தி அனுபலப்தி எல்லாமே. Similarly you see அர்த்தாபத்தி presumption. ரோடெல்லாம் தண்ணி பார்த்துட்டு உடனே மழை வந்ததுன்னு சொன்னாள். என்ன முன்னாடி மழை வரும்போது தண்ணி இருக்கு அதனால பிரத்யக்ஷ ஞானம். இப்போ வந்து அர்த்தாபத்தி presumption another பிரமாணம். But it is not rain because of water lorries going on and on and on, road full of water. என்ன tank leak. Disproved or not? Disproved. Next last one is called Shabda Pramanam. Shabda Pramanam also, Shabda Pramanam is the ultimate Pramanam. Veda Shabda Pramanam is ultimate Pramanam. எந்த சப்தம் கேட்கணும். அதில் லௌகிக சப்தம் இஸ் டிஸ்பியூட்டபிள். லௌகிக சப்தா வேர்ல்டு நியூஸ் பேப்பர் மேகசைன் நியூஸ் எல்லாமே இப்போ வர நியூஸ் எல்லாமே வெரிஃபையபிள். யூ ஹாவ் டு வெரிஃபை இட், கன்ஃபார்ம் இட். ஆல் துர்பல பிரமாணம்ஸ் கிவ்ஸ் ஓன்லி இன்ஃபர்மேஷன். தே கிவ் ஓன்லி இன்ஃபர்மேஷன். லேட்டர் தே ஹாவ் டு பி வெரிஃபைடு. They later only they have to be confirmed. What is the Lakshanam of Durbala Pramanam? All newspaper Shabda is a Durbala Pramanam because it is Paurusheya Buddhi. Only journalists have written that what is report. It is verifiable. That information has to be verified. After verification, they can negate it or they can confirm it. Isn't it? They can negate or confirm. So that pramanam which is under the scrutiny of, it can be provable or disprovable, verifiable always. It is to be confirmed is called Durbala Pramanam. Paratantra Pramanam, secondary Pramanam or Upajivaka Pramanam. In technical terms, Shastra word Upajivaka Pramanam. Whereas quite opposite to Durbala Pramanam is Shastra Shabda, Vedika Shabda is Prabala Pramanam. Primary Pramanam, unnegatable, cannot be displaceable or disprovable. No need of verification. Like your eyes pramanam, direct pratyaksha jnanam they are giving. Veda Shabda also gives same knowledge. You cannot disprove it. Therefore, Veda Shabda is the Prabala Pramanam. Prabala Pramanam. That's why scientists can never dispute or disprove or prove that which has revealed by the Veda. All the scientists can do lot of research, invention in only Anatma, not in Atma. Because Veda Shabda is the ultimate, final. Prabala Pramanam. It is called Upajivya Pramanam. Veda Shabda, Prabala Pramanam is Upajivya Pramanam. Upa, U-P-A, G-Y-A. G-I-Y-A. Upajivya Pramanam. Durbala Pramanam is known as Upajivaka Pramanam. So therefore, he says here, look into the shloka. Pramanaha Utpadita Vidya. Pramanotpadita Vidya. That knowledge which is risen by the Pramanam. What Pramanam? Not by any other Pramanams, by only Veda Shabda Pramanam. Last Pramanam, Pratyaksha, Anumana, Upamana, Artha, Patti, Anupalabdhi. Shabda, and the Shabda logoda Vaidika Shabda, not Laukika Shabda. And the Vaidika Shabda Pramana, Utpadita Vidya, the knowledge which has emerged. That is Pramanam, Prabalam Pramanam. That is Prabalam. That is primary, disprovable, non-verifiable. No need to verify it. There is no need of verification. Direct confirmation, no information, direct confirmation. Durbala Pramanam gives information, then with the help of Prabala Pramanam it confirms. Durbala Pramanam, there is a smoke on the fire on the mountain. You take the support of Pratyaksha Pramanam and you confirm it. Yes, there is fire. You confirm it. Therefore, first information, then confirmation. For Durbala Pramanam, Rundvenum, Durbala Pramananiki. First information kudukanam, adikapuram confirmation kudukanam. Ticket kuda confirm aayadutha illaiyan solluvaaniyo. Adu maadhiri. Prabala Pramanam directly confirmed. It need not take that any other Pramanam's help. Therefore, it is directly confirmed. That is Veda Pramanam. Prabala Pramanam Utpadita Vidya. Pramana Utpadita Vidya Prabalam. Prabalamanna, it is Upajivya Pramanam. Can you negate that pramana utpadita vidya? Can you negate that Veda utpadita aham brahmasmi jnanam? Can you negate na? Yeah, you can negate when you get another pramana which is more prabalataram. And then he says, prabalam pramanam vina na nashyati. This knowledge, what knowledge? Aham brahmasmi knowledge which I have received through Veda can be negated only when you get another pramanam, prabala pramanam, prabalathara pramanam than this Veda. He says, na Vedantat prabalam manam ikshate. To negate this aham brahmasmi jnanam by another pramanam, unfortunately there is no another powerful prabala pramanam than Vedanta. Vedantat, that means Vedanta shabda pramanat anya pramanam prabala pramanam na ikshate. Manam means pramanam. Prabala manam means prabala pramanam. Prabala pramanam means that upajivya pramanam, powerful pramanam which can refute this aham brahmasmi jnanam. There is no other pramanam to refute. Therefore what? This person, once he comes to Vedanta, what knowledge he gets, definite it is, and he gets Jivan Mukti, Videha Mukti. No one can come in this world to refute this. This is not Jivan Mukti, this is not Videha Mukti. சொல்றதுக்கு வேற பிரமாணம் கிடையாது எவனுக்கு. அதுதான் what you are getting here in this class. That knowledge you are getting. Unrefutable. No one can come and verify it. It is confirmed knowledge. Aham Brahmasmi is confirmed and information. Informed knowledge or confirmed knowledge? Thank God. That is called confirmed knowledge because it is subjective knowledge. All knowledge, all pramanams are giving only objective knowledge. That is why they require confirmation. This is subjective knowledge. I am Brahman. I know that I am Brahman. I need not wait for any other information or any confirmation from verification from any pramanam. Enna vere pramaname kadiyadu to enter into this field of Atma. Appadipatta jnanam you are getting. Puriyardo? Asla andha value puriyanum first. Upajivya pramanam. Upajivaka pramanam requires upajivya pramanam, but upajivya pramanam doesn't depend upon upajivaka pramanam. I hope I have communicated. Okay. So therefore they are called upajivya pramanani. Upajivaka pramanani are durbalam. Upajivya pramanam only one. Manani sollakudadu. Upajivya pramanani sollakudadu. Upajivya pramanam is only one, that which gives Brahma Jnana. Even these eyes, all these are all upajivya pramananda. Anala they give only anatma jnanam. This anatma jnanam also, which is pratyaksha anumana upamana, these eyes are all giving this knowledge. What we are going to do later? Mithyatva nishchayam. They are all mithya. Therefore, paramarthika drishtiya, the entire, all pramanams are negated. Now, final point, what I want to say, Veda pramanam is a pramanam. It has come not to give any prameya jnanam. Important statement. Veda pramanam has come not to give any knowledge of any object or prameyam. Vedanta pramanam has not come to give any prameya jnanam. Vedanta pramanam has come to negate all other pramanams. Number one, Vedanta pramanam has come to refute pratyaksha, anumana, upamana, arthapatti, anupalabdhi, even laukika shabda. Two jobs. Veda Pramanam refutes all other Pramanams first. Veda Pramanam has not come to give any Prameya Jnanam, point number one. Veda Pramanam refute all other Pramanams. Number two, Veda Pramanam refutes even Pramatrutvam. That is the ultimate job of Veda Pramanam. Veda Pramanam destroys Pramatrutvam, knowerhood. And the Pramatrutvam ni appadiye it will destroy what it does. And Veda Pramanam disappears. Having destroyed the Pramatrutvam, tatra Vedaha Avedaha bhavanti. No more Veda Pramanam. Aham Brahmasmi, and the knowerhood also I drop. Veda comes. Until you drop your Pramatrutvam, Veda will never take rest. Puriyarada? Veda will not take rest. You cannot take rest. As long as knower is there, you are holding on to what? Pramata, Pramanam, Prameyam. Pramatrutvam, that knowerhood has to be totally eliminated. That is the job of Veda Pramanam. What an amazing subject you see. Then what? Aham Brahmasmi. Vedas are also Avedaha bhavanti. Veda loses its Pramanam status for that Jnani. Veda's job is over. Veda does one namaskara to that Jnani. You are the one, make use of me properly. Thank you. And Veda. Veda Mata, bless that person. You are the one who made use of me properly. I am very happy. You are blessed. And Veda Mata, she will lose her Pramanam status also. Puriyarada? Okay. Tasmad Vedanta Samsiddhim Sadadvaitam na badhyate Antakalepyato bhutam Viveka nirvrutisya sthita. Viveka nirvrutis sthita. Tasmat means therefore. Therefore means what? This Pramanam, Prabala Pramanam cannot be displaced or negated by any Durbala Pramanam. Because this Pramanam cannot be replaced by any other Pramanam, there is no another Prabala Pramanam. Therefore what? Vedanta Samsiddhim. That is not Samsiddhim, but Samsiddham. Ikara you delete. Samsiddham. Vedanta Samsiddham. Vedanta Samsiddham, that Tat Advaitam, that knowledge, the non-dual, Advaita means non-dual Brahman, Samsiddham, who is established, Sadadvaita means non-dual Brahman, existent principle. Na badhyate, never negated, or verified, or confirmed. Na badhyate means not verified, not confirmed, need not be confirmed by any other pramanam. Tasmat Vedanta Samsiddham Satadvaitam, that Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya Jivo Brahmaiva Naparaha, that Samsiddham Jnanam, established knowledge, cannot be dismissed by or disproved by any nabadhyate, any other pramanam. When antakali api, even at the time of death also. Now meditation I want to verify, I want to confirm. Meditation is not meant for confirmation. not verification. Meditation is meant for assimilation. Yesterday, Bhagavad Gita class we were seeing. Meditation is meant for what? Only assimilation, not for confirmation. People are sitting in meditation, aham brahmasmi, aham brahmasmi. Swamini சொல்றான், ஆனாலும் I want to, what do you want? Meditation, I want to confirm. You have to confirm while listening itself. Shastra gives confirmed knowledge. Why you want to verify through meditation? Meditation is a pramana. It is not a pramana at all. It is not a durbala pramana. Aham brahmasmi is a prabala pramana jnanam. Can I take meditation to verify that jnana? Meditation practice. Krishna Paramatma said nididhyasana. Krishna Paramatma never said nididhyasana for verification. Krishna Paramatma says nididhyasana for assimilation. Therefore, people misunderstand and they sit in meditation hours together for knowledge. Because they are tired of listening cassettes, CDs. They are tired of attending classes. We are tired of everything. What not? We are tired of everything. கொஞ்ச நாள் போனதுக்கு அப்புறம் அப்பா ரொம்ப நாள் போனேன் நான் கிளாஸுக்கு என்ன புரியறதான்னா அது ஒன்றும் புரியலப்பா. That is why it's not so easy to attend classes regularly. Number one, it's not easy to listen cassettes even though they are renewing their membership there. After some time கொஞ்ச நாளுக்கு அப்புறம் போதும்னு தோணும். Not so easy listening also. Even CDs also ரொம்ப கம்ஃபர்டபுளாக இருக்குன்னு நினைப்போம். அது கூட கொஞ்ச நாளுக்கு அப்புறம் அப்பா போதும்னு தோணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் இன்டர்நெட்டில் கேட்டுட்டே அப்பா போதும் அப்பான்னு தோணும். People, you require a tremendous Shakti energy. You have to grasp a lot of energy from all sides to listen Shastra. Unless until you continue the study for a length of time, moksha is impossible. That's what he says. Ataha antakale api na badhyate. Full stop. Okay, therefore, ataha bhuta vivekat, by this panchabhuta viveka, what chapter this name? This chapter name is Panchabhuta Viveka. By studying the analysis of the 5 elements in this chapter, vivekat nirvritihi sthita. Nirvritihi means mokshaha, jivan mukti, videha mukti. Nirvritihi. Jivan mukti, videha mukti. Person is released. Nirvriti anna release from samsara, release from cycle of birth and death. Once for all. Abhayam pratishtham vindate moksha samrajyam. He enters the kingdom of moksha. Anando brahme divyajanat. So he sings like anything. Samagayan naste ha-u-ha-u-ha-u. Aham rikshasya reriva kirtif prishtham gireriva. Urdhva pavitro vajiniva svamritavasmi dravidagum savarchasam. Like this he or she sings, enjoys life. Therefore, jivan mukti, videha mukti, sthita means permanent, definite, unshakable. Undisplaceable, no one can remove that. Sthita. By this bhuta viveka dwara. So with this, Vidyaranya concludes this long chapter, 109 verses. By establishing what? Prabala pramanam, Veda pramanam. That pramanam gives confirmed knowledge. What knowledge? Unnegatable knowledge. No need of further verification. Therefore, there is no equal knowledge to this knowledge. All knowledge, whatever people have, only what knowledge? That is durbala pramana jnanam. Negatable, verifiable, dismissible. புரியுறதா? You want dismissible knowledge or unnegatable knowledge? Unnegatable knowledge. So you are all blessed if you continue further. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.